Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, here with another driving video. So we started out the video, we're basically doing a video right here on what's popular called the wharf, the Kingston Wharves. This is where, you know, all the imports come in Jamaica, whether it's motor vehicle, container, barrel, crate. Very big facility with different sections. You know, millions of dollars flowing through every day. And that's where we're at today, Kingston Wharves. So we'll be driving around the area, basically showing you guys just a quick glimpse of the different sections. So stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share as well. And I know you guys may have watched a few videos, haven't yet subscribed, trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. Remember to subscribe. So we're gonna take the right at this stoplight. Alright, so I did a previous video over here with probably a lot more driving details. I may put that one in the comment as well, so you guys can check out that one as well if you haven't yet done so. The roads over here is not the best, but it's what we have to work with. So a lot of different shipping companies over here as well that, you know, does transshipment. They have different containers over here that also sell, like, you know, box lunch, juice, snacks, because there's a large number of workforce over here. Truck drivers, all different type of people. Alright, so we're gonna take this right and then probably just come back around. I think around this side is where the motor vehicles come in. Alright, and again, leave your comments if this is somewhere you visit regularly. You know, probably to, you know, collect your different items. Just let us know in the comment section. If you work over here, let us know as well. So we can see different food shop and snack shop and stuff. So this is where the motor vehicles come in. So you see some blue plates. Blue license plates are demonstration plates for car dealership. Some of the vehicles don't have on any plate either because they're just coming off the ship. So this is where the motor vehicles come in. Most of them coming from Japan, even China. They're coming in very cheap, and then, you know, these used car dealers now sell it back. So you may see some beyond the fence over here as well. These probably don't get cleared as yet. So that's the motor vehicles. Then these blue gates are where now the containers are coming off the ship, so they're being checked and scanned at these gates. So very massive complex. You know, a lot of money passing through over here. You know, and a lot of people said this is the place to work, you know, when it comes to compensation, when it comes to salary and benefits. And I think some, based on where you work, based on what I've heard, some people can bring in motor vehicle, basically don't pay anything based on, I guess, probably the benefits of their employer. Alright, so we're gonna go down this side where you have a big Kingston Wharf warehouse and logistics center. As I mentioned, lots of different section over here. The first time over here, me just get lost. So this is their logistics center down here. I guess this is another package clearance site. So Kingston Wharves Limited. So they have ample parking on the right as well. 195 2nd Street. A lot of people waiting to collect their packages. We see long lines. Sometimes you come to these places, you have to wait for a good while. Alright, so again, it's just a quick drive, just showing you guys around the area. We're just gonna go down this side and then probably end the video in a few. And again, I'll put the link in the comments for the longer video I did, which showcase some other areas over here. So Kingston Wharves, Kingston Container Terminal, that's where we at today. So I think I need to take the right turn here. Again, this seems as if it's another warehouse for collection around this side. Alright guys, so continue to enjoy the rest of the drive. And again, leave your comments. Remember to share the video and let me know your thoughts. A lot of companies over here as well. Some of them have different offices. I'm seeing Rent-A-Kill, Carlang Publishers, Songsters Bookstore. So you have sections over here where companies occupy as well. Guys, so we're gonna filter out on Marcus Garvey Drive. That's right in front of us. Alright guys, so remember, like, comment, share. And see you on another driving video.